Hello friends, good morning. Today we are going to make toran. The entrance door is decorated with the toran in very different way. So if you go to the Maharashtra, you will find a different toran. If you go to south, you will find a different toran. So from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you will find very different toran in the entrance of the door. This is uh, used for the shubh, means for the good luck of the house or vastu. So today we are going to learn how to make at home. I think so many of the children must be seen that we get this type of shopping bags, and you can get in market this cloth also, same cloth which is used for the shopping bags. So I'm using this. Decide which shape you want. It's You can get in different types of shape. So first cut the shapes of this. I'm taking two colors, yellow and red combination. Okay, now I have glue. I will need a glue, some decorative ribbons. This is also a different type of ribbon. This we get in market, this type of symbols of Om and Swastik, and we get this symbols also, this type of Ganesha and Saraswati Mata and Lakshmi Mata. We get this in market very easily. Now I have taken some woolen also, golden thread. This is for decoration only. Uh, First take a measurement tape and measure your enters door, and then cut the ribbon according to that. Okay, so I had already cut this. Now I had cut two pieces. See, from the cloth, one piece is smaller than the yellow one. See, if you see that this is almost 2 centimeter I had taken all over. Now first you have to stick this both. Okay, and then after sticking this red portion on this, just I'm going to stick with the fabric glue. This is not a normal glue, this is a fabric glue which can use on cloth to stick anything. So this way, see, this way we are going to complete it. So I had already completed for you. So according to your, see, this way. And yes children, if you don't have cloth, then you can use handmade paper, say this way. Okay, and same way you can make this way. Okay, so don't worry about that I don't have cloth, then how I can do. So you can use the handmade paper. Same way, it's not necessary which ribbons I had used. You have to use the same one, whichever is available at home or whichever is you can get from the market easily. Now see, then you can stick together with the glue also, but I prefer to use needle and thread for attaching with the ribbon. Now first find out the center and mark. I had marked it in the center. Now keep it like this. See, now first arrange with the thing. Now this is the center point, so exact the center I'm going to arrange this. See, this way. First in the center I'm going to go, then the corners. See, I have taken 1 inch more uh, beside the side. This is 34 is my door length, so I had taken 1 inch extra. So to hold, okay, we have to put up, no? So for put up I have leave little bit space. So on both the side, half and half inch you are going to leave, and then arrange. First arrange it nicely and then start to it. So first thing, you're going to measure the size, all the size. It should be similar distance. Okay, so I'm just checking out if it is not proper. I'm making it proper. I'm trying to maintain the distance, and then you have to stitch this. Okay, just on this, little bit on this, see, this way. So stitch it with the thread and the needle, so it will be very strong enough to hold it. I prefer to stitch on, so just swing it. See, I had done with all. Okay, now the turn of your goddess. Now in the center I'm going to have Ganpati Bappa. Okay, on this side I'm going to have Lakshmi, and then Saraswati. Small holes in this, or you can just go for sticking. So I'm going to swing this. Okay, there are some small hole, you can see. see there is a hole, so I can swing this. So let's see Bappa very nicely in the center, that see the all side is equal, and then you can go for the stitching. It's very easy, it's not difficult. See, this way I have stitched it. You can put fabric glue and stick also. So first we have stitched it. Now I'm going to show how we are going to. Please children, try to find the center and then press it. Okay, see that all sides are equal. This way we had already stick this nicely. Now for the woolen, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some, so just I'm taking some cardboard and just rolling it and cut one side. This way we are going to make the latkan. See, first cut it, the extra one. Here I'm just going to wrap a golden thread. Here I'm going to wrap a golden thread to give a nice look. And yes children, I had put in some nice pulp in this between. Now you can hang this way or you can hang in the center. See this way, it's look pretty, right? Chalo, we will see how you want, how much distance you want to keep here or here, or just like this the pulp is coming on till here. See this much distance, or you want this small thread should be seen, you have to attach according to that. So I'm just going to attach cut to cut, like touching the edges of the pulp. Also with the fabric glue, it's okay. Okay, we will attach this first. See children, I had done with this. Now the last one, both the last portion is remaining. Okay, so I'm just putting the swastik and Om here in this way. So let's stick it. See children, I had stick this Om in this side, and here I had stick the Shubh Kalash. You can use swastik also. Now see, I had made this latkan. If you like, you can add here. Just for the decoration I'm showing you. Otherwise you can leave this way also. So our toran is ready now. So let's see how it's going to look. See, this way our toran is going to look. This way our toran will look on the door.